What's up with it? It's your boy Ed live with the Wildcats from Sacramento, California, man. I got my man William with me. He got this 540 big block Elco.
Yes, sir.
And he about to tell y'all about that.
Rasta D. Out of San Francisco.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
San Francisco, California.
Yeah,
Did you drive all the way from San Francisco today?
I'm born and raised in San Francisco, but I live here in Sacramento now.
Okay,
so,
cool.
Yeah.
He about to tell y'all about his big block power 540 El Camino. Man, tell us about this 70 El Camino.
Well, I have a 70 El Camino here, full resto, frame off, powder coated frame, everything. Everything is done, every screw, everything is new. Put a 540 in here, dart heads, fuel injection. I got so much to list that it's ridiculous. More bags, Italian leather on the seats, top all the way back. $10,000 on the exhaust alone.
Wow, what kind of exhaust is this?
Custom. It's all custom.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so you won't find that. That's why it sounds so different.
Yeah, y'all see my man got the vinyl top on this bad boy.
Blue top.
Tonal cover.
Oh, it's blue.
Blue, yeah.
He said blue.
What you got for music in this bad boy?
I just got I have a 12 in there, a little something. I like listening to the motor myself.
Yeah,
you know, I like listening
horsepower.
To
Yeah, that's how you do
that
it.
vibration.
That's
But
how
I
you do
got a
it.
little sound, you know. Got the bi-9s and the 6s and the 12 in the back. So you got a little, you make a little
I'm gonna look at
noise.
that frame real
Like
quick.
this. It's not like this right there.
Yeah.
You know, but you
I'm about to
gotta
look
hear
at this
motor.
frame right quick.
Yeah. It's all coated underneath. It has everything.
Man doing his thing on there.
Yes, sir.
See that, man? Stainless steel exhaust on there.
Oh, yeah.
You really doing your thing right here.
Everything's powder coated bumpers. You want to get that?
Oh, shit,
Look at
the air
that. Look
ride.
at that. Oh yeah, that's perfect
Nice.
right there.
I love that.
That's perfect. See, man.
I just want
Let
to
us hear
thank
that.
you.
Let me hear that motor.
One more time.
Let me hear that motor, man. Y'all finna hear this motor purr.
Look at this motor. It's nice. It's all black.
Fuel injection 540. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Now this, we about to do this right here, man. Yeah. We about to do this. Come on up here. Come on.
Okay.
Right, this jewelry box. All right, this is the jewelry box. What's up, y'all? I see my man's whip, the air ride on here, the 540 underhood, the Riley's, did everything. No expensive spares.
No.
Billet hinges. You know, this man is mob certified, and he said he got that 540. If you want that smoke, come and get it. He's mob certified.
Thank you.
This is
very
how you.
much.
This is how you build a car,
I came
top
out
to
to
bottom.
see my man. Nothing else. I usually don't even come out at night. I come out to see my man to get this certification.
Yes, sir. But that's how you do it, brother.
Yes, sir.
We love your ride, man.
Thank
Keep
you.
doing your thing. Keep pushing them.
Take care of
Man,
yourself. Appreciate you.
That 540 is
Rastafari.
beautiful right there.
Is there anything you want to say to the camera?
I just thank you guys for what you guys are doing.
Oh, thank you so much.
Showing our lifestyle, being a part of this, and just showing people just getting together and just hanging out, just for a minute. That's all. Without acting a fool, we can do
Yes,
this. You know, I
yes.
appreciate you guys.
Thank you so
You
much,
guys
brother.
are a vessel, is what I'm saying. You guys are a true vessel.
Thank you so
Thank
much,
you.
brother.
All right.
You know, it's all passion, all heart, and real dedication, because that's what we do.
Okay.
Thank you, son. Thank
welcome.
you,
So I
brother.
want to tell you about the mob certification.
Okay.
July the 11th, Horsepower Hour 4 will be at the Antioch Fairgrounds. That's our show.
Okay.
And you're mob certified. So your family.
Nice.
And you only pay $40 to get in the venue.
Oh, it's well worth
and
it.
you get to go with the VIP people. So you're in the front. And if you get there, you roll in at 9 o'clock and you can park wherever you want.
Nice. Thank you
Yes,
for the
yes,
invitation.
yes.
I'll be there.
Okay.
And that is mob certified.
Yes, sir.
We're doing it. This is how we do it. Appreciate you, my brother. Thank
All
you so
right.
much, man. Thank you. We love this car. Love that 540.
Thank you for your time, man.
No problem.
Yeah.
No problem.
When I say,
Thank you. Glad we got